fourth grade mathematicians, your objective for this week is to convert customary units of length. You will work on some fluency practice, complete the conversion match, complete the problem-solving task, and finally your assignment is the measurement task. So let's talk about those customary units of length. They include the inch, the foot, the yard, and the mile. An inch is like knuckle to knuckle. A foot is about the length of a piece of paper. A yard is probably from your door handle on your door to the floor. And a mile is Roanoke Elementary to Chick-fil-A. Oh, Chick-fil-A. And you can find all those customary units on your star chart. Speaking of the star chart, let me move my face. If we are going to convert from feet to inches, the first thing you want to do is consider how they are equivalent. 1 foot equals 12 inches. Let's put that rule down there. This rule is going to help you fill out your table. So you can consider that feet times 12 equals inches, and inches divided by 12 equals feet. In this case, the first one's been done for us. 1 foot equals 12 inches. So then if I have 3 feet times 12, that would make it 36 inches. And then 4 feet times 12 is 48 inches. And those are equivalent. All right, yards to feet. Same thing. Let's look at our star chart to help us out. I'll circle that. 1 yard equals 3 feet. So let's go to the rule so we can fill out our chart. Yards times 3 equals feet, and feet divided by 3 is yards. So as you can see, we've got a little bit of a different table here. 2 are on this side and 1's on this side. So let's start with the first one. 1 yard times 3 equals 3 feet. 3 yards times 3 equals 9 feet. And then this time I have the feet, so I have to use this part of the rule. 33 divided by 3 equals, that's right, 11. And our final one, miles to yards. Let's look at that star chart again. 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. There's no easy way to do that. You just got to remember it. Okay? So when we're converting, the same rule applies. Miles times 1,760 will give us the number of yards in a mile. Yards divided by 1,760 equals the number of miles in comparison. So 1 mile, 1,760 yards. 3 times 1,760 is 5,280. And then 4 times 1,760 is 7,040 yards in 4 miles. That's a lot of yards. Now what happens if you have to take it from 1 length to 2? It becomes a 2-step problem, okay? So this time when we look at our star chart, we're going to need 2 of those. 1 yard equals 3 feet, and then 3 feet times 12 equals 36 inches. So you see that right here, 3 times 12 equals 36. So to jump from one to the other, from yards all the way to inches, you would take yards times 36 equals inches, and inches divided by 36 equals yards. So I'll go ahead and fill out our table, which you guys can multiply by 36. All right, so it's your turn now. Let's talk about the things you're going to be doing in math. The fluency practice, this is fun. Get a deck of cards, split it in half, play with your brother or your sister or maybe your mom and dad, and you're going to have the ace be the 1, the jack be the 10, queen is 11, and king is 12. And all you're going to do is you're going to flip 2 cards, and the first person who can say the product of those 2 cards gets to keep the 2 cards. So have fun with that. And then you're going to do a measurement sort. And all along your Google slide, you're going to see units of measurement of length. And you're just going to drag 2 of them into a box that match each other. So the first one's been done for you. 1 foot equals 12 inches. So you can kind of see them peeking through here. You'll just drag those into a box, and both of them have to be equivalent. After your measurement sort, you're going to do this problem-solving task about Lars in a party. Notice this, folks. It says foot, and then they want the answer in inches. So you know you're going to have to do some converting. And finally, your measurement task, which as a reminder will be due Sunday, April 19th, but it's always good to get those done early. Make sure you use your star reference chart to help you solving the problems, all those that we talked about at the beginning. So here's a table you'll need to complete, feet to inches, yards to inches, with those questions as well, and then miles to yards. As you can see, the question says how many yards are in 8 miles, and that is not on the table, but you know how to solve that. All right, Rangers. When you are done, as always, make sure to click that turn-in button. And then you'll be all done for the week. Can't wait to see your math and discuss it with you guys at conferences, of course. Bye.